So which shloka? 10. 10 done. Okay. Kavim Puranam Anushasitaram, that is done. Huh? Prayana Kale we have to do. Hare. Oh, I'm opening 8th chapter because I started 8th for them. Okay, 7th chapter. In a day, I will be doing so many chapters to so many people. That is how confusion. Hmm. So 7, okay, 10. Okay. Bijammam Sarvabhutanam in this Gnana Vijnana Yoga, which is considered as Bhagavat Gnana and Bhagavad Vishesha Gnana or Vishishta Gnana of the Lord, that which is going to elevate the soul to the highest platform. That is what is necessary here. Krishna says, in this whole creation, the smell of the earth is me only. When you just smell the earth, remember God. Punyogandha Prithivyancha. That is how he said. Bijam Mam Sarvabhutanam. I am the seed of all the living entities, Krishna says. I am the seed. Seed means you might have studied anatomy of reproductive system of both male and female. They think that they are the father. Is it not? And females think that, oh, I am the mother. Who is the real father? Who is the real mother? Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva. Are we are just instrument. Then why there will be more infertility clinics on this earth? If you have the ability to procreate, then why so many infertility centers on this earth? It's not necessary that your anatomy of reproductive system, physiology of reproductive system is normal. Then there is no compulsion or it's not compulsory to have children. No. How many married couples they are begging? They are begging everywhere for children. To get children is that's why Krishna says, if I am there in the seed, then only procreation will happen. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam. Even till today, no science, no medical science has the answer why couples don't they get conceived. Why the female doesn't get conceived even after normal anatomy and physiology of the reproductive system. They say that everything is normal. Then why? What's wrong? That means there is no special Vishishta Pradhana Gnana of the Lord there. That is why Krishna says, Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. That is why I'll tell you one mantra from Rigveda and as well as in Yajurveda. It is there. Vishnur Yonim Kalpayatu Tvashtra Rupani Pimshatu Asinchatu Prajapatihi Tata Garbham Dadatu Te. What a beautiful mantra this is. Vishnu Yon, never consider the act of sex as a very common or cheap. Never. It is highly divine, divine act. Then only Vishnu Yonim Kalpayatu. Vishnu Yoni. Consider it as a Vishnu Yoni. Tvashtra Rupani Pimshatu. Asinchatu Prajapatihi. Prajapati means that is the Chaturmukha Brahma Srishtikarta. In him also, the Mahavishnu is there in the form. That is how he is there. That is why marriage is not an ordinary act. See, during the time of Panigrahana, I'll tell you what are the Shastra, the Vedic wisdom which says, we consider the bride as Lakshmi. We consider the bridegroom as Narayana. कंकण बांधते ना, कंकण जो बांधते हैं, कंकण बांधने के बाद वो किसी को नमस्कार नहीं करते, पैर नहीं छूते, क्योंकि कंकण जब तक रहेगा तब तक लक्ष्मी नारायण का संविधान है वहां पर. What a beautiful concept. Without knowing all this, marriage is become a very simple and cheap act. Today they marry and tomorrow they divorce. Oh, what nonsense it is. They don't know the value and significance of that only. Simply it has become a custom to spend crores of rupees on marriage. Next day they divorce. This is horrible. That is why the divine act, what Krishna says, Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. I am the seed. If I am there, then only the conception will happen. So that is why there is no use of boasting that I became father, I became mother. Who are we? We are just an instrument. That's all in this process of creation. Don't claim anything as if you are. You may be father. Your name will come before or after the name of your child. Okay, fine. It doesn't mean that you are the Srishtikarta. If you are the Srishtikarta, then why not when you want children you don't get? That means you are not. This shows the inability of each and every individual. We don't have that ability, definitely. So that is why Krishna says, Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. What a beautiful shloka this is. This is a special knowledge. That is why that makes an individual to surrender. Yes, Naham Karta. I am not the doer. Arihi Karta. Tat Puja Sarvacha Akhilam. Whatever I do, I am just an instrument. He is the one who is doer. He is making me to do. He is the one who is holding my hand and making me to do. Like a mother, how she takes care of the baby. The baby cannot take bath. The baby cannot eat by itself. The baby cannot wear the clothes by itself. Mother is going to assist. Like mother, God is helping each and every individual. So don't claim for any ownership of anything. I am not the doer. Have that sense. Be aware that you have no independence. इंडिपेंडेंस तो मिल गया मगर यू आर नेवर इंडिपेंडेंट एट ऑल. So what do you mean by that independence? Independence is not freedom. Independence means you are disciplined by yourself. That is self-dependence. Is the independence. Many people don't know the meaning of independence only. What do you mean by independence? Freedom? Freedom is not independence. It will not allow you to do whatever you want according to your whims and fancies. No. You are disciplined by yourself. That is only independence. Oh, now you have to change your dictionary meaning of independence. इंडिपेंडेंस मिल गया फिर भी हम गुलाम हैं किसके? सरकार के गुलाम. पहले तो एक था जो हमको रूल करता था. अभी कितने सारे मंत्रियां कंत्रियां हैं तो सबको सलाम मारना पड़ता है. पहले एक को जी हुजूर बोलना पड़ता था, अभी सबको बोलना पड़ता है जी हुजूर. दिस इज नॉनसेंस. This is not independence. So that's why never a soul, never a jiva is independent. It is always under the clutches of Ishvara. That is why Krishna says, Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. This one word I can give you 1 hour lecture. Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. Vidhi. Oh Arjuna, Partha, know that I am the seed of all the living entities. With the Partha Sanatanam. See, this the word Sanatanam is so beautiful here. Okay, today we are not independent. In future, after 1000 years, a soul can become independent or free or whatever. No, it says Sanatana. Sanatana means always, past, present and future. कभी independent था ही नहीं, कभी है भी नहीं अभी और आगे भी नहीं होगा. Never in the past, present, and future it will be. It will be Sanatana. Vidhi Partha Sanatanam. Sanatana means always in all the tense, past, present, and future tense. Even after 1,000 years also, such a soul, the jiva cannot become independent. Even if your science is going to go to rocket science also. So what? You may go to other planets also. The jiva cannot become independent. It is always under. It is always and subordinate to the Ishvara. Always it is. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam vidhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatam asmi. I am the buddhi. I am the intellect among all the intelligent people. So-called intelligent people, they claim, oh, I have so much of IQ, intelligent quotient. Where did you get that? Krishna says, I am the intelligence among all the intellectuals. So where is your contribution in that? Krishna says, I am the Buddhir Buddhimatam Asmi. I am the Buddhi among all the intelligent people. So you have nothing to boast at all. You have nothing to claim Ahankara only here. The more and more you are intelligent, the more and more you should become submissive. That is why Vidya Vinaya Sampanni. The real knowledge must always bring submissiveness in you. If you are not humble, then you are not on the right path or the right track of knowledge. There is something wrong in your knowledge. The more and more you become knowledged, the more and more humbleness you should get it. If you are not getting humbleness, if you are becoming over pride, then think that there is something wrong in my knowledge procurement. That is what. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi. Tejaha tejasvi namaham. Among all the tejasvi people, tejasvi navadhitamastu. Oh, if you see the tejas in the face and the eyes, then I am the tejas behind that, Krishna says. So what do we have to claim? Nothing. Just know that I am an instrument. That's all in the hands of Krishna. Definitely. The whole jiva, all the individuals, we are all like puppets. Have you seen puppet shows? You have seen the dolls dancing. But you can't see the string also, and you can't see the fingers above. Is it not? When the above finger is shaken, the dolls will dance now. So you will be projected only the dolls dancing. So we are all like dolls. And there is a finger above us. That is God. So this is what is the beauty here. So Tejaha Tejasvinamaham. I am the Tejas among all the illuminate people who illuminate. Then Balam Balavatam Chagam Kamaraga Vivarjitam. Balam Balavatam. I am the strength among all the strong people. Strongest persons. We see किसी ने एक लॉरी को खींच दिया अपने बाल से, बड़ा बाल है तो बाल को लगा दिया. So then he is pulling the truck or the train with his hairs. How is it possible? His hairs are so strong. Where did that strength come from? Krishna says, I am behind that strength. I am the one. Balam balavatam cha aham. So you have nothing to boast. कुछ लोग बाल से खींचते हैं, कुछ लोग दांत से खींचते हैं ट्रेन को, ट्रक को. दिस इज व्हाट कामराग विवर्जितम. बट कामराग विवर्जितम, desire and attachment. I am completely detached from any desire and attachment. Dharma viruddho bhuteshu. I am always unbiased. I don't do biasing. पार्शियलिटी, मैं किसी से पार्शियलिटी नहीं करता हूं. धर्मा अविरुद्धो भूतेषु. I always maintain that neutrality. Dharma, where there is dharma, there only I will be there. In adharma, I am not going to be there at all. Dharma aviruddho bhuteshu. Therefore, never think that God did partiality. He will never do partiality to anybody. You get what you deserve. That's what I told you yesterday. Before desiring, better you first deserve first. Don't simply desire and then cry, oh God, you did not give me. अरे पहले आप काबिल बनो ना, कामयाबी झट मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगा. तो ये है, बहुत बढ़िया है. So that is why one has to deserve first before desiring. ये च एव सात्विका भावा राजसास् तामसाश्च ये मत्त ये वेति तान् विद्धि न तो अहम तेषु ते मयि. Behind all these characters we have gunas, satvika, rajasika, tamasika, which is going to govern. They are all under this prakriti. Sattva, rajas and tamas are under this prakriti, and prakriti is under me. Krishna says, matta eveti tan viddhi. They are all coming from me only. Matta eva, from me only this prakriti, and under prakriti sattva, rajas and tamas, everything. So from me only it is directly, everything is coming. I am the one. Matta eveti tan viddhi natu aham teshu te mayi. Oh, it doesn't mean that I am being controlled by them. No, everything is coming from me, but I am unattached to that. I am independent. Krishna says, natu aham teshu te mayi. All those are there because of me. It's not vice versa. Because of them I am not there. I am independent. Nothing can control me, but I control everything. I am not being controlled by anybody or anything, but everything is under my control. This is the difference. Okay? Tribirgunamayair bhavaihi yevis sarvamidam jagat. The whole jagat world is governed by these three gunas. Mohitam na abhijanati. One who is illusioned by these gunas, they will never understand what I am. Yes, you will never get understood. अरे ये इधर रख दिया, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. हाँ, ये तो जाएगा ना, पकड़े. So the whole world is being controlled by three gunas. Mohitam nabhijanati. जिन्होंने, one who is illusioned or delusioned by these gunas, they will never understand what I am. In spite of counseling, in spite of listening to so many pravachanas, in spite of doing sadhana, people don't understand me. Why? Because they are illusioned by these gunas. Therefore, daivihi esha gunamaye mama maya duratyaya. The prakriti or the whole nature is divine. They are daivi hiyesha gunamayi. It is mama maya. You don't know the meaning of maya. There is one student, Maya Devi, here. She herself don't know what is the meaning of maya. She is there or not? Oh, who is Maya Devi? कौन है आप? माया देवी. आपका नाम का मतलब जानती है आप? Do you know the meaning of the word maya? Maya means not what you think. I know what you think. Maya means magic. है ना? Maya. अरे माया तो magic होता नहीं है. Magic is the common term which is understood falsely by the people. सब माया है. ये दुनिया एक माया है. अरे भैया, माया का मतलब तो जानो पहले. It is not the intention of telling that Daivi Shesha Gunamayi Mama Maya. Mama Maya means my glory. Maya means Mahima. Maya to Mahima Prokta. Bhagavata says this. My glories. How? Hell and heaven difference is there between glory and magic. Maya means it is the glory. Mahima. Maya to Mahima Prokta. Maya to Vayuna Gnanam. Please note it. वही तो ना, गलत है. आप इल्यूजन में हैं, इसलिए वही मतलब आता है. इसलिए उससे बाहर आओ. आ जाओ बाहर, अंधकार से बाहर. इसलिए मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, सबको बाहर लाने के लिए. तो कोई आने के लिए तैयारी नहीं है. सर हम वैसे ही, हम यहाँ ही ठीक है, अंधकार ही सही है हमें. We are happy with the darkness only. Many people say that. That is your fate. I am ready to take you out of the darkness. देखिए आज चौंक गए सब लोग, ये माया का मतलब को जान के आपके अंदर ऐसा रोशनी आ गया, अरे भैया इतना दिन हम सोचते रहे माया मीन्स मैजिक। माया का मतलब मैजिक नहीं है, वो भी एक मतलब है, मगर सब जगह वो मतलब लागू नहीं होता है। माया देवी अब समझ में आ गया? हाँ, माया तो महिमा प्रोक्ता। See, this is what we don't know the meaning of our name only properly. Then what we will know about God? आपका माता पिता को भी शायद मालूम नहीं है जिन्होंने नाम रखा है। This is what. So therefore, Daivihi Esha, divine are the qualities of this nature, and it is my glory. Krishna says, Mama Maya Durateya, and it is not easy to cross this. It is very tough. You cannot cross. Crossing this nature is not easy. Once you are caught in the web of the spider, you are finished. Is it not? You see the spider, how it is going to make a beautiful, even your trigonometry, geometry doesn't know to teach the spider how to make a web. It is the perfect mathematics. In which university the spider has learned this mathematics? It is called as Urnanabha. You know, in Sanskrit, spider is called as Urnanabha. From the umbilical cord of that spider, there will be a secretion coming, and that makes a beautiful geometry. Even after you take your scale and help of all proctor and all, you cannot draw that type of drawing. That is the nature's gift given to the Urnanabha, the spider. There are many, many varieties of spider. You go to Amazon forest, you will come to know how many types of spiders are there. Killer spiders also. If they bite, the moment you will be no more. That much poisonous, deadly poisonous spiders. We have seen so many movies on that, is it not? So the nature's beauty it is coming from the Nabhi. How nicely one small fly, if it's get trapped, if the legs of the or the wings of the that creature gets trapped into that spider web, finished there. They cannot come out. So we are all trapped in this web of this nature created by God. Ah, so beautiful, no? But that is what Krishna says. It is divine, but it is my glory only. Mama Maya Duratyaya. Mameva prapadyante. One who crosses this, they are going to come to me only. Mayam etam tarantite. Maya means here it is the glory, mahima of the God. Maya means not just magic. Maya means it is not just illusion. It is the divine glory of the God. Then you may get this question, why God has created this? Why he has to put us in this web? And why he is asking us to come out of that web? अरे इससे अच्छा है कि डालो मत भाई, पहले सृष्टि करो, ये दुनिया बनाओ, बाद में हमको इधर डालो, इतना कष्ट दो, दुख दो. You are giving difficulties and asking us to come out of that दुख. इससे अच्छा है कि सृष्टि ही मत करो ना. Why did you create? You are asking this question. Ask your parents, why did they make you get admitted in this university? Why did you come and get admitted here? For what? To become intelligent, to get knowledge. You are asking the same question to God. Why did you create us? बहुत लोगों को है, माता पिता को यही प्रश्न पूछते हैं, मुझे क्यों जन्म दिया? कौन बोला? मैं बोला था क्या आपको? हाँ, खतरनाक प्रश्न. ये प्रश्न पूछने के लिए ही तुमको जन्म दिया मैंने, ये बोलना है. नहीं तो तुम्हारा प्रश्न कहां से उठता? प्रश्न करने के लिए तुम ही नहीं होते. ये बेवकूफ का प्रश्न है. इट इज वन ऑफ द ignorant question asked by the children. Sometimes, they ask the parents, why did you give me birth? Did I ask you? It is as good as you asking your parents, why did you give. It's like a child asking, why should I go to school? Why you are taking me to the school? The child doesn't want to go to school. Anybody, even including myself, I was crying. Oh, I don't want to go to school. What will the mother say? Beta, please go to school. When you come back, I will give you laddu. अरे लड्डू के पीछे वो स्कूल जाता है, मगर लड्डू देना माँ का इरादा नहीं है. बच्चा ठीक से पढ़ाई करना है. That means your mother's intention is to make the child learned. Not the laddu. But the child goes to the school for laddu purpose. यही है भगवान जो है, ये जीव उद्धार होना है. He wants the souls to get elevated. For that reason he has made this creation, and you are asking ulta question, why did you create? What type of ungrateful people we are? Are we not ungrateful? अरे इन्होंने मौका दिया, he has given us the opportunity to elevate, and you are asking ulta. This is our ignorance. That is why we need to be very, very. That is why this is Gnana Vijnana Yoga. That is why this is Gnana Vijnana Yoga. So therefore, they come to me only when people come out of this Maya, when people come out of this Prakriti. That is my glory. This creation is my glory. Is it not the wonderful Mahima of the God? So that is why Krishna says, Namam Dushkrutino Mudhaha. People who are ignorant, they cannot understand me at all. Mudha. Mudha means fools. Murkhasya nasti aushadam. मूर्ख लोगों के लिए कोई औषधि नहीं है दुनिया में. You cannot change any fool. Fools will remain fools always. So don't try to change them. Namam dushkrutino mudhaha. Prapadyante naradhamaha. They are the worst human creatures. They are the worst. Huh? Uh-huh. Oh. So they have so beautiful, no? All these words. So that is why they are going to give Namam Dushkritino Mudhaha Prapadyante Naradhamaha. They are Adhama among all the Naras. Nara means humans. They are the worst. Naradhamaha. Why? Because Maya, now here the Maya meaning is different. See, the same word Maya came in the previous, but there it is different and here it is different. If you know the meaning of Maya, different meanings, then only you can better understand. Why these foolish people are always under ignorance? Maya apahrita gnana. They are illusioned by this creation. Yes, only people who are intelligent will know this as the Mahima of the God. Foolish people, they consider that this is an illusion. Brahma Satya, Jagan Mithya. Jagan Mithya? Is this world an illusion? Now here comes the fight between Dvaita and Advaita. Let me not go into all those things. Don't. Dimag khichdi pak jayega. Don't go. Okay? This Jagat is Satya. Jagat is not Mithya. The creation of God is true. It is not false, but it may not be permanent. It is temporary. Temporary means it is not false. It is just temporary, Baba. That this creation will end, definitely. That which ends is not permanent. That is only your meaning. But don't say that it is false. है ना? कैसे समझेंगे ये दुनिया सच है. ब्रह्म सत्य, जगत is also satya. Jagat is also true. It is not mithya. See, these are the different good platform for fighting. जिनको लड़ना है लड़ने दो, हमें लड़ने का कोई काम नहीं है इधर. So Brahma Satya, Jagan Mithya is debatable. Definitely it is debatable. Acharya says this, Madhvacharya says, if they are not listening to the qualities of this real world, then do one thing, take one stick and beat them. पीठ में एक लात मारो. मैं कहा मारा? मैं मारा भी जो भी मिथ्या है, आप जो मार खाया वो भी मिथ्या है, क्योंकि जगत मिथ्या है ना. अरे मार तो खाया भाई, मार खाया तो क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हो? मैं जो मारा वो भी झूठ, तुमने जो मार खाया वो भी झूठ है, इसलिए एक छड़ी लेके मारो पीछे. बस. People who don't believe, people who don't accept that this world is real, एक लाठी लेके पीठ पे एक मारो, जैसे पुलिस लोग मारते हैं ना, डंडा लेके, वही एक. that is the only way solution. See, we cannot consider it as false. It may not be permanent, yes, but all things which are not permanent are false. No, no. Use your logic here. So, yes, that's all. Not permanent. It may be temporary, because even Chaturmukha Brahma is also temporary. He also has to end his life. But don't tell that it is false. Okay? Let us go further. So therefore, people who are ignorant, they are illusioned by Mayaya Aparita Gnana Asuram. They behave in Asuri. Asuri means demoniac. Like a demon they behave. Asuram Bhavam Ashrita. Therefore, there are 4 categories of people who do devotion towards me. Chaturvida Bhajante Mam. 4 categories of people are there. Janaha Sukriti Norjana. All the 4 people are good. They are Sukriti people. अच्छे लोग ही है 4 लोग. कौन कौन है 4 लोग? आर्तो, जिज्ञासु, अर्थार्थी, ज्ञानी. These are the 4 categories of people. They are all good only, but their intention is different. One is artha. Artha means one who is afflicted with a lot of problems in life. He will cry for help. Artha vishanna shitilascha bhita घोरेषु च व्याधिषु वर्तमानाः संकीर्त्य नारायण शब्दमात्रं विमुक्त दुःखा सुखिनो भवन्तु. Just take the name of the Lord. आर्त मीन्स जो जिंदगी से तंग आके, कष्टों को झेल के जिंदगी में बहुत बिखर गए, तो वो जो चिल्लाते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं आर्त. Artha means people who are afflicted with many problems in life. They also devote, they also worship me. Chaturvida bhajante mam. Artho. Second category of people is Jignasu. Jignasu means very inquisitive, very curious to know things. Yes, I want to know this, I want to know that. That is only Jignasu. Second category of people, Jignasu, one who is inquisitive, want to know things, many things. He is always curious. That curiousness people, always curious to know new things. Then third category, Artharthi. इसका अद्भुत शब्द सिर्फ हिंदी में है, मतलबी. अब समझ गए सब लोग, what is मतलबी? People who are mean mentality. Yes, in English, mean mentality. People don't do anything free. They want something from that. That means always matlabi. Artharthi. Artharthi means if they want to do something, they want to see what is my benefit from that. If you don't get any benefit, why should I do that? I won't do it. That is their mentality. Only those people also will do devotion. They do worship. They go to temple. See, all people who go to temple, don't think that they are all same category. There are 4 types of categories of people who go to temple to worship, who do devotion, bhajan, सब करते हैं. अर्थार्थी, कुछ लोग मंदिर जाते हैं भगवान को देखने, कुछ लोग मंदिर जाते उनको देखने जो भगवान को देखने आते हैं। That means people go to temple to see the people who come to see the love of God there, है ना? तो बहुत सारे शादियां प्यार सब मंदिर में ही हो जाता है। आके गया, देखा, प्यार देख के आंखों आंखों में हो गया प्यार, बस गया, गया भैंस पानी में। तो यही हो जाता है। सो दैट इज हाउ पीपल, सो दैट इज वाई इंटेंशंस आर डिफरेंट। Your intentions are different in going to temple. One who is really afflicted with problems in life. Second person, very curious to know. Third person, always mean mentality. Yes, I want something out of this. Only he also does the worship and devotion. And fourth category is Gnani. So Gnani means highly knowledgeable person, really knowledge. These are the four. Chaturvidha bhajante mam jana sukrutino arjuna artho jignasuraarthi gnani cha bharatarshava. Among them four categories, Krishna says, Gnani, I like them, I like him very much. Tesham Gnani Nityayuktaha Ekabhaktir Vishishyate. He is the one who is perfectly fixed to me. He will never change his faith. I like Gnani. Priyo hi Gnanino Atyartham. That is what Krishna is telling. I like him very much. Aham Sachamama Priya. I like him, he likes me. Yes. Aham sa cha mama priya. I like him, he likes me. That is why I like Gnani among all these four category of people. Udaraha sarvayevaite gnani tu atmaiva mevatam. This is the statement. They are so broad-minded, Gnanis. Udaraha sarvayeva ete. Therefore, Gnani means a knowledgeable person is like me only. Consider that any Gnani as me only. If you are insulting a Gnani, that means you are insulting to me only. Krishna says directly here. Gnani ko kabhi apaman mat karo, because you are directly insulting God there. Because Krishna says, Gnani tu Atma eva. He is like me only. Gnani tu Atmaiva mematam. Astita sahi yuktatma mameva anuttamam gatim. Because he is so dedicated to me that there is no one above me for him. He thinks that I am everything for him. तो ये होता है ज्ञानी, ज्ञानी का लक्षण। तो ज्ञानियों को पहचानने में कभी गलती मत करो। एक बार गलती कर दिया, अपमान कर दिया ज्ञानी को, तो नीचे चले जाएंगे आप। सो यू विल गो डाउन। नेवर नेवर एवर इंसल्ट ए ज्ञानी। सो दैट इज डिफरेंट। इट्स अ वेरी highly categorized personality. So that is why never fail in recognizing a real knowledgeable person. If you hurt him also, that is also wrong. So therefore, ये पहचानने में कितना समय लगता है साल? बहुनाम जन्मनाम अंते। अरे भैया, मैनी मैनी सदियों लग जाता है, जन्मों जन्मों। How many lives? Many many lives, Krishna says. Many many lives it takes to understand me, Krishna says. Then we are trying to understand him in one semester. क्या दिमाग है हमारा, बेवकूफी दिमाग। एक सेमेस्टर में या देख रहा हूं 949। चिंता मत करो। सो बहुनाम जन्मनाम अंते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते वासुदेव सर्वमिति स महात्मा सुदुर्लभः कामैस्तैस्तैर्हृत ज्ञाना प्रपद्यन्ते अन्य देवताः तम तम नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया। These two shlokas we will do 19 and 20. Tomorrow I have to finish this. I will finish, don't worry. Chapter 8. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is the beauty of Jnana Vijnana. Om.